Okay, let's do reverse tabletop taps. So we'll bring you more out of balance, but hey, let's do this. So have your feet the same as your shoulders. Bring that belly, zipping that belly upwards, inwards, around, lifting your hips up, halfway up. Now I want you to stabilize your core, tighten up your glutes, and you'll breathe into your rib cage, and exhale. You will try to tap your toe, slightly elevating your heel, making sure your hips are not falling over, and that's your challenge today. I will go 5 from one side and then 5 another. Ready? Let's go. Tighten up everything. Quick one. Let's go. Breathing into the rib cage. Good. Challenge yourself. Lift your leg up higher if you want to. It makes the life more interesting, more playful. Let's do one more. Good. Ready? And do it on the other side. Let's go. Zip your belly, stabilize squeeze your glutes, and let's go. You see, I shifted a little bit. I wasn't focusing as much. Let's try better. Good. Ready? Let's go. You will slightly shift, but try to focus on keeping it like stable, like you have a glass of water and you just want to tap. That's all. Good. And last one. And bring it down and down. Excellent. You can repeat it for another 2 rounds, and when you're ready, move to the next exercise. Ciao.